I love my Cuisinart espresso maker. It works great. And if you ever need to fix anything in it, you can do it yourself just by taking a few screws out. Here. And these parts are ultimately cleanable once you take all these screws out, and you can get at all the parts that you need to in order to fix it. The only problem I have is I'm not totally sure, 100% sure, or even partially sure, if that switch down there is broken or not, and if I had to replace it, if by any chance I could find the parts for it. But in the meantime, we've got this espresso maker, which seems to be working just fine since I repaired the handle, sort of. Alright, have a nice day.